What if every friend you invite keeps earning for you automatically? No grinding, no extra work, just sharing a link. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Crosswave just made it real. Today, I'll break down the brand new Crosswave referral system, how it works, how you earn, and how you can start building passive rewards starting today. But here's the interesting part. This isn't just a basic referral system. Every Crosswave user gets a unique invite link. You can copy it with one click or share it directly to Telegram, X, or Discord. Once someone signs up using your link, that connection is permanent. No KYC needed, no extra linking steps, it's automatic. And here's where it gets powerful. There's no limit to how many people you can invite. One friend, 10 friends, or even hundreds, it all counts. So, okay, let's be real. What do you actually earn from this? You earn 5% of your friends' rewards. That includes campaign rewards and mission rewards paid in Cross. So every time they complete something, you get a share. But take note, this only applies to direct referrals. If your friend invites someone else, you won't earn from that. Also, rewards like game coupons, those don't count. Now here's where things gets a little confusing, but I'll keep it simple. So your reward come in two types. First, unconfirmed rewards. These are estimated earnings that update in real time as your friend gets complete missions. Second, confirmed rewards. These are locked in only when the rewards are fully settled and your friend completes KYC. Once both are done, your earnings become official. And yes, this happens automatically. So, when do you actually get paid? Payouts happen monthly. Here's how it works. Every first of the month, the system checks your confirmed rewards. If you have at least 10 cross and completed KYC, you're automatically included in the payout. No manual request needed, and within about 2 weeks, you get your rewards. Just remember, only whole number counts. Decimals are ignored. And if you're competitive, this next part is for you. There's a public leaderboard showing the top inviters. It tracks both confirmed and unconfirmed rewards. Your rank never goes down even after withdrawals. Top 20 are displayed publicly, but you can always check your own rank. The system is already live after the April 9 maintenance. So all you need to do is go to the invite link, grab your link, and start sharing. Because the earlier you start, the bigger your network grows. And the bigger your network, the more you earn. So don't wait and start inviting today and let your reward build over time.